How to see your recently added friends on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your recently added friends on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we open the Facebook app, make sure that it is up to date. If not, go to your App Store or to the Play Store and update your Facebook app. This will ensure that we'll be facing the same user interface, and so you will be guided all throughout. After that, just click on Facebook and open it. And from your home page or from any other page, make sure that you are currently in the menu page. Just click on this 3-bar line at the bottom right hand corner and you will be in the menu page. Just scroll down a bit and click on settings and privacy right here, and you'll be given these options. So let's just click on settings right here. After that, let's click on the search icon at the top right hand corner and let's just type in the search bar activity log, and this option will pop up. Just click on that. So activity log is where you can view and manage your Facebook activities such as posts, tags, comments, and likes. And so just scroll down a bit and tap on these connections options right here. Let's click on that. And actually you can immediately see the option of added friends. Click on added friends. And in here you can actually see your recently added friends on Facebook. So this is basically it on how you can see the list of your recently added friends. And if you want to change that category, just click on this filter icon right here. Click on categories and you can see more friends in a particular category, such as removed friends, received friend requests, connected followers, and many more. So that is how you can see your recently added friends on Facebook. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.